Mike innovative door, and if you've got a one-piece tilt up like this where it tilts up and you want it switched out to an overhead like this, we do. We got the carpentry work done here. It seals nice. 16 by 6 low head. We can replace your one-piece door. We come on to the carpentry, the low headroom. A lot of times these people say that it can't be done, and we do it all the time. There it is, 16 by 6 low headroom by innovative door with the carpentry. Nice opener, ceiling mounted. Seals up good. Fire door needs, innovative. 630-271-9343. Business online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our low head video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. Sweet.